Greetings from Afghanistan to everyone here. Thank you very much, CHRMP and all colleagues who are presented throughout this journey, and they have assisted us really. I am grateful for that. I will put that into three categories of my life. As you all have, our social life, career life, and also our personal life. I think this CHRMP journey has really added value in all three of my lives. In terms of my personal life, being able to understand more about HR and coming to know about HR analytics, particularly the different aspects of HR analytics that we gone through. I think it really gave me another angle of what is really HR and what's the role of HR in an organization. And coming to the career, my career life, I'm also a lecturer in a private university in Afghanistan. Apart from that, I'm working as a Director of Human Resources Development. So, I'm conducting lectures in HR and strategic human resource management. And when I received this certificate, explaining this to my students, they appreciate it, and I received a warm, congratulations from every one of them, and they were interested to get to know more about this course and also the other course of offers that CHRMP provides. I think it was a great moment for me that everyone congratulated me, and also they have appraised this effort, like the measure or indicator or whatever it is. I think throughout those lectures that I've gone through, and afterwards when I watched the video, it was very informative, and it was very insightful for me. It really gave me a clear picture that for where we have to start and how to break down everything and coming to the minor parts in order to translate and to take them into the individual plans and departmental goals or objectives. By taking these learnings, I have transferred those information and knowledges with my colleagues, and we have started working on an individual working plan. We have I can say similarly, we have gone through this process, and somehow I imitated all those techniques and tips that I have learned through the course. It was a great achievement, and everyone in my organization has really appraised and they have appreciated. They have accepted. I think it was the last Wednesday that the procedure that we have developed, the mechanism, it was endorsed by the Head of Civil Service Commission, by the chairman, and we have shared and disseminated all those informations with all the civil servants in Afghanistan. I think it's a very great change that we have brought. We had the performance appraisal since 2001 in Afghanistan, but there was no changes happened within this timeline. But within this 6 months that we have started working on that, we have changed everything. And, I think it was a great achievement for me and everyone in my department and the whole Civil Service Commission. We are still receiving, congratulation messages from the different government organizations, particularly from HR directorates, and they are saying that you have made a great, effort with introducing a new system. I think it's really a pleasure for me, and thanks CHRMP for giving me this opportunity to learn more about it. So this is how I have learned from CHRMP, and I'm really thankful for that. And beside that, the connection, the network that I have made with my class fellows and also the instructors, I think that was amazing for me, and I'm still connected with all of them, and I look forward to be involved and in touch with everyone. Thank you very much, CHRMP.
Wonderful.